Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prakhar Ojha and I am an independent filmmaker. And today we are going to learn how to use GoPro Quik to create videos on the go. And for that, the first thing you need to do is download the application. Just search for GoPro Quik in your browser and click on the first link that appears. Click on the download button and install the application. I already have it installed on my device. Once you are into the application, you need to add media. For that, click on Add Media button at the top left corner. You will see this panel appear on your window. Click on Add Folder, find the folder where you have stored your GoPro footage and click Select Folder and Save. The application will then import all the data and you are good to go. Find the clips you want to use, hit Ctrl on your keyboard and select all the clips and click on Open in Create mode. You will see this window appear where you have all your media, program window and timeline. Click on the clips to select your favorite moments and the app will create a highlight and import it onto the timeline. You can choose to create videos up to 15 seconds, 30 seconds and 60 seconds. Just choose all the moments in a sequence you want to see them and the app will import them accordingly. After you add all the clips in the timeline, click on the music icon and select a suitable music for your video. I like this music. Click on the Add to Video button and the app will automatically sync all the clips according to the music. And now your video is ready to export. Click on the Save button and your video will be exported. You can find your video in the Edit section. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Let me know your thoughts about the video in the comment section below.